Hi, I'm Dr. Payal Kandharkar Chobe. I am practicing as a private practitioner in obstetrics and gynecology, infertility specialist since last 16 years. Yes, because once the patient is diagnosed as STD or having sexually transmitted disease, there are a lot of misconceptions in the society. So it is not taken in the right spirit by the people. So patients also, they often do not report to the doctors unless they are having a lot of problems. So this indeed is taken as a social stigma. This has to be corrected at all levels. Yes, STDs or sexually transmitted diseases to start with are normally asymptomatic, that is, they do not have any symptoms. Since they do not have any symptoms, the patient is not likely to report to the doctor. Like the patient may harbor the infection, but since the patient will not have clinical symptoms, so he or she becomes asymptomatic, and that is how the patient does not report to the doctor. No, I would not agree with this. Patient has to be in 100% follow-up with the doctor. Patient compliance should be maximum to achieve maximum results, to achieve curable results. Exactly. Untreated disease in the form of a sexually transmitted infection first and then sexually transmitted disease can lead to various serious problems. Like for an example, if the lady is having cervical discharge or white discharge, commonest, 90% of the women they have white discharge. They don't report to the doctor saying it's normal. But if it is not treated, diagnosed or investigated in the right way, can lead to cervical cancers, and it is one of the major cause for cervical cancers. I feel we all should be patient and doctor friendly patient group. We should report to the doctor at the earliest if there are certain changes in the body observed. As a gynecologist, would like to put forth that if any lady, any age group has some sort of vaginal infection, be it a virgin, married, unmarried, postmenopausal lady, has to report to the gynecologist as early as possible, and all the myths, doubts should be cleared by the doctor.